It's time to take a break and let us do the work for you. At ComfyMaids, we ensure a consistent and high-standard Airbnb cleaning service by assessing and rating how the guest left the rental unit and by reporting left-behind items. Then we proceed to make every room spotless by clearing the space of all unwanted items and throwing them away, dusting of all accessible surfaces, sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping of floor surfaces, wiping down of windows, mirrors, and glass surfaces, replacing linens, sheets, and towels, and bed making, cleaning and sanitizing showers, bathtubs, toilets, and sinks, and putting out clean towels and shower mats. Then emptying the fridge, the dishwasher, and washing machine, wiping down of kitchen appliances, and putting out a clean hand towel. Every guest deserves a clean and comfy home. Partner with us. Visit ComfyMaids.com for more details on Airbnb cleaning services.